In the past 2 years, from flagship phones to budget phones, the Pro Max suffix has become popular. However, most Pro Max phones are just about price and specs. The one I have is the first Pro Max in the OPPO A series, the OPPO A7 Pro Max. It brings the A series' strongest points, battery life and durability, to the Pro Max level. As for the actual battery life and durability, let's discuss that in detail. Let's talk about the biggest highlight of the battery life, the massive 10,000 mAh battery, the largest capacity OPPO has ever produced. To put that into perspective, let's look at a real-world test simulating 6 hours of heavy use, with 57% battery remaining. Even with heavy use from morning till night, you don't have to worry about running out of power. But top-notch battery life isn't enough. It also needs to last a long time. A common problem with large battery phones is rapid battery degradation. The rated capacity drops significantly after 2 years. The OPPO A7 Pro Max not only boasts a large capacity, but also a 7-year lifespan. OPPO's exclusive patented spherical silicon carbon anode material, combined with a self-developed long-life algorithm, extends battery life from materials to chips in multiple dimensions. While others worry about degradation after 2 years, this phone can last 7 years. Durable, it's not just about being robust, but also about long-lasting companionship. For charging, it features 80W SuperVOOC flash charge and a smart charging engine, allowing for a rapid 1% to full charge in about 125 minutes. Even with a large battery, it can quickly replenish power with 9 charges and protection against extreme cold. Charging is convenient. You can even forget to unplug it when fully charged without damaging the battery. It's stable even outdoors in winter and supports 27W reverse charging. It's like a power bank when you're out and about, providing emergency power to headphones, watches, and phones. It can reverse charge up to 15 times in one go. A multi-layered power management chip ensures smooth, fast, and worry-free operation. The OPPO A7 Pro Max boasts excellent waterproof capabilities, supporting IP66, IP68, and IP69K. IP66 means you can hold it without worry in heavy rain. IP68 means it can still be used after being dropped in a pool, and IP69K means it can withstand 85-degree high-temperature washing, rain, water droplets, and high-pressure water guns. It can withstand everyday water exposure. And what's most vulnerable to drop-resistant phones? Slippery surfaces. It uses a diamond structure design, significantly improving overall rigidity. Internal airbags protect core components, and the screen is covered with thickened precision glass. It can withstand drops from 1.8 meters at multiple angles and bending forces of 12.55 MPa. It has passed 7 military standard certifications. OPPO has successfully withstood extreme high and low temperatures, salt spray corrosion, sandstorms, and continuous drops, handling all kinds of harsh environments with ease. Even more thoughtfully, OPPO has deeply optimized for outdoor scenarios. Rain-soaked touch control remains sensitive even with a wet screen, and operation is unaffected by mud or oil on hands. The high-energy outdoor mode 2.0 keeps frequently used outdoor applications, like navigation and dialing readily available in the taskbar, eliminating the need to search for them. One-click quick launch. For communication, it features the Mountain and Sea communication system with a Hunter antenna architecture, ensuring stable signal even in elevators and underground parking lots. Mountain and Sea assisted positioning further enhances navigation accuracy in tunnels and shopping malls, preventing drifting and getting lost. For the needs of seniors, it also offers a 300% louder volume and a 5-fold brighter flashlight. On the software side, it remains smooth and durable. ColorOS has passed OPPO's 72-month aging and smoothness test in the lab, maintaining its silky smooth performance even after prolonged use. Super memory compression technology further enhances its performance. Optimized boot time with 388 MB RAM and supports up to 24 GB RAM expansion. Stable performance even with multiple apps running in the background. Security-focused features include AI-powered anti-explosion protection for all scenarios and real-time AI-synthesized voice detection during calls. When transferring money, the system automatically identifies abnormal operations, building a multi-dimensional protection wall. The Halo mode centrally displays frequently used operations by elders. Frequently used contacts can be placed directly on the desktop for one-click dialing. Cross-brand family protection breaks down brand barriers. Even non-OPPO phones can view family members' locations, set safe zones, and provide remote assistance. It's perfect for elderly family members. Looking at the design, the one I have is the main color, waves, with a 3D embossed back that recreates the texture of ocean waves, transparent and free. The camera module continues OPPO's classic smile curve design, maximizing recognizability. The diamond cut process adds a sense of light and shadow. The back also has an ambient light with different lighting effects for incoming calls, notifications, and music. Important contacts can also be set with personalized colors. The charging status is also indicated by light, which is practical and emotionally resonant. The screen is a 6.78-inch flat screen with a 93.5% screen-to-body ratio and 1.5K resolution. With a global brightness of 1,800 nits and support for 1.07 billion colors, the OPPO A7 Pro Max boasts a completely evolved imaging system. It features dual 5MP sensors, front and rear, with the rear main camera supporting OIS optical image stabilization for stable shots. This concludes the full experience with the OPPO A7 Pro Max. It doesn't rely on the Pro Max label for added premium pricing. Instead, it truly delivers the long battery life and durability of the A series at a Pro Max level. It features a 10,000 mAh high-capacity battery with a 7-year lifespan, IP69K water resistance, and a diamond-hardened architecture for maximum durability. From battery life to protection, from hardware to software, it provides a truly reliable and reassuring experience. A new generation of durable and legendary models.